Just going through my reel collection. Let's go closer to some of them. Go closer, let's take it away. The original one. Yeah, let's go. Go there by the magnesium. That is too. That's too. Ito. Ryobi magnesium 680 mg. This is a Daiwa 706, my first fly reel ever. Abu Diplomat 156. Lida Rimfly Magnum 140D. Saltwater, light estuary. Then in Coma, 8 weight, 8 to 9 weight. My old Nighthawk, the older guys will remember. Collection of small spinning reels from Shimano to Daiwa. After this one, yeah. Abu Cardinal 755. Almost run of the mill Shimano 6000 weight runner. This is an Ultegra, Shimano Ultegra saltwater and specimen used. There's an old Mitchell 307 classic boss. My first ever bass reel, Shimano TX Bantam. This is an Abu Garcia Shimano Calcutta 250. This is Ambassador 5500 Morum. This is a Ambassador 7000 CL big game, which I bought from Ashraf. This one was one of the last, just when Abu Sweden stopped making them. They went to China. This is the original Swedish made. Ambassador 10,000 CL. Thank you.